Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another video. We've got a long one today. We're gonna react to a video that has been requested before by a few of you viewers. And obviously, I do as you say. We're gonna react to Melodysheep's video called "The Sight of Space: A Voyage to Spectacular Alien Worlds." Now, it was posted 2 months ago. Melodysheep makes great, incredible movies almost. Like, it's insane. So yeah, I'm just gonna react to it directly. It's 30 minutes. So yeah, but I'm expecting a masterpiece. All right, let's go. All right, let's do this, baby. Since 1990, humanity has discovered over 5,000 planets beyond our solar system. The cinematography already, dude. One day, these tantalizing points of light will become something greater. Destinations, Oh, dude, I'm so jealous that we as humans, I don't think I will be able to go to new planet. Maybe.
This is the Novice 3.
Okay.
An imaginary ship that can take you anywhere in the Milky Way.
Okay.
Its maiden voyage will take you on a tour of the wildest planets we have yet discovered.
Okay. All right. I'm in it.
Worlds of burning ice.
Holy
Planets
shit.
hotter than stars.
This is so cool,
With
dude.
clouds made of metal.
Look at this.
Zombie worlds born from the ashes of dead ones. And hundreds of billions more are waiting for us in our galaxy alone.
Yep.
These worlds will give us a glimpse into how deep nature's imagination goes. And create a map for future pioneers who might one day plant their flags on landscapes we can hardly imagine.
Jesus Christ. Yo, Melodysheep, let's go. Yup. And that's the thing, right? Okay, I am gonna pause a few times in this because I just want to talk. Like, I just have to get out my emotions, right? And it's like, because I remember, I saw one comment, all right? I posted like something on my Instagram or something. And there was one guy, because I said that there has to be life in the universe. Of course it has to. Like, there has to be life out there. We're not the only ones. And then some guy commented saying, you're like just a young one sitting at home thinking that there's life out there, thinking like he was some big shit. Like, bro, you're telling me there's a whole universe and there's no life. There is life. 100, there's no way. I'm not saying that there might be more intelligent life than us, but I'm saying there is life. Most definitely, dude. I can bet like all my money on that. Easy. Don't care what you say. It's out there. 100%. Sorry, just had to get that out there.
As our journey to new worlds begins, we set sail for the closest alien planet.
Okay.
40 trillion kilometers away.
How many light years is that? Go on, hit me with it.
But the long road to our cosmic neighbor is paved with strange sights of its own.
Well, oh wait, so that's okay.
Past the distant orbit of Neptune, we slip into a no man's land of icy cosmic debris that surrounds our solar system.
Yeah, the outer comet.
The Kuiper Belt.
Yeah, Kuiper Belt. Yeah. It's so cool, dude. By the way, does he animate this himself, Melodysheep?
This
Or like
massive disk of frozen material contains hundreds of millions of icy scraps, leftovers from the formation of our solar system.
Incredible. It's really hard to navigate though.
Out here, among the scattered bits of rock
Look at
and
this,
ice,
is so cool.
lives something strange.
Okay, something strange. Tell me.
Haumea.
Haumea? The fuck is... That's
A tumbling dwarf planet shaped like an egg.
Oh.
Carrying 2 moons and an icy ring, this bizarre, Pluto-sized world is the fastest spinning object in our solar system.
Oh, okay. I had no idea about this. Well, obviously there's not life
Splashed
here.
across its surface is a mysterious red spot,
Yeah.
possibly a scar from a recent impact. And Haumea is not alone. There's a whole eccentric family of mini worlds lurking out here.
I mean, dude, it's so insane.
Dwarf planets like Make Make
Make.
and Gong Gong, a
Gong
red
Gong.
tinted mini Pluto with a thin atmosphere of methane.
Okay.
The Kuiper Belt could hold as many as 200 dwarf planets. And thousands more could be floating in the space beyond.
And that's like when, I don't know about you guys, but when you see stuff like
Someday.
that, right? When you see like planets, right? Just in the middle of nowhere, where you can like see like people through a telescope looking at like Neptune or Saturn or something like that, right? I just find it so like scary and cool that it's just that planet, but then there's like nothing. Like obviously there is something, but the space between it, it's so massive. I don't know. I just find it like
These tiny
so
worlds may
weird,
serve as
but
a
so
cosmic
cool.
base camp for interstellar voyagers. A final outpost still bound to our sun.
Yeah. All right. All right. Hit us with it, baby. Let's get out there.
And when we finally outgrow our home system, the one nearest to Earth will be waiting.
Ah, Centauri. How
Alpha
are you, my guy?
Centauri. In this triple star system, a tiny red dwarf star known as Proxima Centauri orbits around a pair of sun-like stars, Alpha Centauri A and B.
Oh, there's two of them.
As we approach Proxima, the closest of the stellar trio,
Yeah.
we're greeted by two huge dust belts that circle the star.
Okay. Okay.
But further in, we come to the real gem of this system.
Real gem.
Welcome to Proxima Centauri B, the closest exoplanet to home.
Ah. Look at this, dude. The animation is... Oh my god. I'm just so happy.
With a mass almost identical to Earth's and a density that suggests a rocky composition, this distant Earth cousin orbits right inside its star's habitable zone, giving it potential to hold liquid water.
That's a possibility, yeah.
Given how near and similar it is to Earth, perhaps this will be the first outpost for mankind around another star.
Insane, dude.
Visitors could gaze up to see Proxima Centauri and its two sister suns.
Imagine that sight. Holy shit, that would be so cool.
And on a clear night, our own sun. A distant
yeah.
glimpse of home.
Well, that would be... Oh, wait, that actually... No, that thought actually... Oh, nah. Imagine that, right? You're just standing there and then just pointing like, oh, there's home. Like... Oh my god, I can't... Nah. I'm sorry, that
There's still a
thought
lot we don't
gave me
know
something
about
else.
our
Oh my
cosmic
god.
neighbor.
Alright, tell me. What's more?
And its star is so volatile that stellar flares could shock the planet into a lifeless state.
Yeah, unstable. So many dangers.
The only way to know for sure is to go there ourselves.
Yeah. Risk it.
Missions are now being
High risk, high
proposed that
reward.
could reach this system in as little as 20 years,
20 years?
using nanoprobes powered by light sails.
What?
If humans ever touch down on Proxima Centauri B,
Yeah.
it will become the site of the most transformative event in human history. The moment mankind became an interstellar species.
Yep. Imagine that milestone. Oh my god. Incredible.
As we push farther into space,
Yep.
we leave the familiar behind
Okay.
and come across a world beyond all human comprehension.
Gliese 536b.
Gliese 436b
Gliese, sorry.
is about as different from Earth as you can get. Orbiting extremely close to its star, its surface is a scorching 438 degrees Celsius.
Huh?
On a planet this hot, you might expect to find vast seas of magma.
Yeah.
But this Neptune-sized world is something else entirely. A world of burning ice.
Burning ice? How?
Its massive gravity compresses water vapor in the atmosphere into an exotic form of ice called Ice 7.
Ice 7? What?
The pressures here are so intense that the ice can withstand burning temperatures without evaporating. But the atmosphere is another story. It's being blasted into space by the star's immense heat. And as the starlight pushes on the escaping gas, it leaves behind a comet-like tail.
That is very beautiful, though.
9 million miles long.
That is very beautiful, though. Very beautiful. Let's get moving. Where are we up to next?
Planets in the universe will be hostile to humans.
Yeah.
But 39 light years away, a tiny red dwarf star is home to a potential planetary oasis.
TRAPPIST-1.
This is the TRAPPIST-1 system.
Huh? Oh.
A family of 7 rocky planets huddled closely around their sun.
Oh. Okay.
These Earth-sized worlds orbit so closely together that the whole system would fit easily inside the orbit of Mercury.
Oh. Okay.
The inner two are suspected to be Venus-like, searing hot and covered in dense clouds.
Yeah. But there's got to be one in the Goldilocks zone, right?
And the outer planet, TRAPPIST-1H, is thought to be as cold as the South Pole.
Okay. Well, that's not a place for us, but it's cool, but... Oh my god.
But 4 of the middle worlds orbit in the star's habitable zone, making this system a possible bonanza for life.
That... Right, and look, that's just one star, one system, with 4 planets. One star in our galaxy. There has to be life.
Is one of the single most promising candidates for habitability that we know of.
Okay.
And each of these worlds is far older than Earth, giving potential life forms here a 3 billion year head start.
Just saying. Just saying. Could be life. And imagine that sight, dude. If that sky, the night sky, the day sky, dude. Oh my god. Incredible.
But this system has a catch.
Oh?
Each of the planets are theorized to be tidally locked, with one side stuck facing their sun and the other side permanently exposed to the cold void of space.
Has to be a line in the middle.
Such temperature extremes could make it hard for life to find a foothold.
That is true. But there has to be a line.
In conditions, one of these worlds could hold vast oceans on the sun-facing side.
Yeah.
Where the star's heat is just enough for liquid water. An eyeball Earth.
Oh.
Appearing like a glistening, watery iris, staring into space.
Oh, that is very cool.
Others could have a habitable strip of land between dark and light.
Exactly.
The Terminator line, where the temperature is just right.
And that's where life could, like, if
a
it's
haven for life
yeah,
between
yeah.
scorched earth and eternal winter.
Wow.
The TRAPPIST planets are now a prime target of the James Webb Space Telescope,
Oh.
which will gaze into their atmospheres in search of biosignatures.
They're gonna find life 100%.
If our descendants ever reach this system, they will look up to see the sibling planets decorating the sky,
Look at that, dude.
each clinging to the heat of their dim red star,
Yep.
like campers around a fire.
Incredible. Absolutely insane. God, the possibilities, like, there's endless. Alright, we're headed to next boss. Come on. Let's see.
Further beyond,
Yep.
64 light years away, lies a world that looks deceptively peaceful.
HD 189773B. That's beautiful.
A world where pasty white clouds float above lush, deep shades of blue.
That's really pretty, actually. Wow.
But as we get closer,
It's dangerous.
this gas giant is anything but friendly.
Yeah, of course.
The winds here are the fastest known in space.
Oh.
25 times faster than the strongest recorded hurricanes.
What? That is insane. Look at this, the cinematography as well. It
And
really
those
feels
cool
like.
blues you saw from space? They're shards of silicate particles as sharp as glass. And they're being blown sideways across the world with you at 7 times the speed of sound.
What? No way.
If that wasn't enough to kill you, then the extreme heat would do the trick.
Heat, bro. There's rain.
The atmosphere here is so hot that it can melt solid gold. And that intense heat is causing it to evaporate at a rate of up to 1.3 billion pounds a second.
I can't even begin to
On
fathom
world
this.
from hell, even the sky wants to escape.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to live there. Sorry. Next one, please.
As we journey the dark cosmic highways 400 light years from Earth,
J1407B.
out of the darkness comes a truly brilliant sight.
Oh, it's just the one with the many rings. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's like really small, but like has millions of rings.
This
Is it?
newborn planet
Oh, no,
might
wait,
look
okay.
familiar at first,
Maybe.
but compared to Saturn, this massive world is the true Lord of the Rings. Its ring system is
Jesus.
200 times larger, nearly 120 million kilometers wide. Almost the
How?
distance from the Earth to the Sun.
How? What? Okay, I'm sorry. What? How is that small and it can control that much?
If Saturn's rings were this massive, they would be easily visible at night and appear far larger than the moon.
What?
Researchers suspect that within a gap in the rings, there lies
gap.
a huge moon, bigger than Mars, where the views
What?
would resemble something from an acid trip.
Now that is a killer view. Oh my god.
Over time, the surrounding rings will condense to form a whole family of moons,
Yeah.
possibly hundreds of them.
Wow.
But for now, they offer a sight unlike any we've ever seen. Evidence that our home solar system has not prepared us for how varied and dazzling other systems can be.
Insane.
By some estimates, nearly half of all sun-like star systems contain more than one sun, implying billions of worlds that are home to poetic twin sunsets.
It's too beautiful.
Worlds that orbit not just 2 or 3, but even 4 stars.
4?
Lands where your body casts multiple shadows, and you can gaze up at sunsets and sunrises at the same time.
Yeah, I was about to say, like, how those days and nights work then.
This is an actual image of a 3-star system in the Orion Nebula, revealing massive rings of gas and dust whirling around a triplet of newborn stars.
That is so cool. So beautiful.
And within this twisted swirl of debris, there's evidence of a hidden planet, carving out a gap in the gas and dust. The first planet known to orbit 3 stars at once.
What? Insane.
And then there are worlds that seem more like stars themselves than planets. This huge scorching gas giant is tidally locked to its star, with a day side that reaches a blistering 3,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than the surface of some stars.
What?
In the extreme heat, heavy metals are lofted into the atmosphere from the planet's interior. As violent winds blow these metals to the night-facing side, something incredible happens. In this cooler atmosphere, particles of iron, magnesium, and other heavy elements condense into clouds made of metal.
What? How?
Huge metallic dust storms could rage from one hemisphere to the other, unleashing a torrential rain of liquid gemstones.
I'm just amazed. Oh my god. There's no end.
This isn't the only planet of riches out there.
There's no end to it.
21 light years from Earth.
That is very cool.
This supermassive rocky planet could be the ultimate piece of cosmic bling.
That is really pretty.
High concentrations of aluminum and calcium pressurize under its extreme atmosphere, possibly forming vast deposits of rubies and sapphires.
Wow. That is really beautiful. If you could just go there, no problems. Just pick a few sapphires if you want to. Maybe a few rubies. Oh my god. I'm just amazed.
And scientists believe there could even be planets of pure diamond out there.
I'm trying to go there.
With its equal ratio of carbon to oxygen,
now we're going far.
12b could potentially hold a diamond core.
Diamond core?
But even if it does, you'd never see it from space. It's shrouded in dark clouds of methane and carbon monoxide that trap 94% of light, making it darker than black coal.
You can barely see it then.
And its proximity to its star is causing gravity to stretch the planet into the shape of an egg.
Interesting. The pressure then must be really great. In order for it to make diamonds as well,
But this diamond space egg has a death sentence.
Oh, it's too close, yeah?
Its star's intense gravity is pulling it towards a fiery extinction, giving it only 3 million years to live.
rest in peace. So violent, yet so beautiful.
But for some worlds, death is not the end of the story.
Well, black holes? What? Wow, this is so incredible.
When massive stars
I'm still amazed
go
by the
supernova,
cinematography.
the ensuing blast wipes out any planets in the vicinity.
Yep.
But the death of one world can sometimes lead to the birth of another.
A neutron star or a black hole?
In the wake of this explosion, certain stars collapse into rapidly spinning cores called pulsars.
Well, okay, so just a quick question, right? So if you have, like, so obviously we know there's black holes, obviously, but like, has anyone seen a black hole form? Like, how would that look? Like, obviously it's a supernova, right? Obviously, but then, like, what happens? You know, obviously gravity is too gray, but like, I don't know. I just want to see the scenery of a black hole being made. So that would be very
Sucking up
interesting.
huge amounts of stellar debris.
Yeah, like sucking up, yeah, gravity.
But what's left on the outer edge can cool and condense until finally a new world is formed. A zombie planet built from the ashes of the dead.
Oh. What? A zombie planet? What would that look like? What?
Worlds like this are exceedingly rare.
Yeah.
But 2,300 light years away, this billion-year-old pulsar is the keeper of not one, but 3 potential zombie planets.
3.
The closest in is Draugr,
Okay. Draugr.
a tiny rocky world smaller than Mercury,
Okay.
likely stripped bare from intense X-ray radiation.
Yeah. This is so insane.
Then we come to the first 2 exoplanets ever discovered. A pair of zombie super-Earths known as Poltergeist
Okay.
and
Poltergeist.
Phobitar,
Phobitar.
each more than triple the mass of the Earth.
Yeah. Obviously not Habital then. Like
Soaked
what?
in the strobing light of their dead stars, the view from these planets would be utterly alien.
It's flashing so much as well. Oh my god. It would be so incredible. It would be so sick to see. But it just...
Charged particles from the pulsar would rain down on the surface, which could light up the night skies with brilliant auroras.
Wow. Look at this, dude. Oh my god, man. Melodysheep has done it again. Wow.
Drenched in deadly X-rays with no living star for warmth,
Yeah.
it may seem impossible for worlds like this to sustain life.
Exactly.
But on planets with extremely thick atmospheres, those X-rays could convert into heat, supporting liquid water on the surface,
But you spell a unicorn on me. What the hell?
and maybe even life itself.
Oh my god. Like,
Thriving on a zombie planet.
just imagine that, right? Like, obviously, I don't know. I saw some article of like life being found or something, but like, imagine that first article, that first news. Like, life has been found. It would turn the whole world. Insane.
Circling the spinning corpse of an exploded star.
That is very cool. The music is so well good. Oh my god. Oh.
As we reach the farthest point in our journey, over 2,000 light years from Earth,
Okay.
we have still only scratched the surface of what's out there.
See, that's the only the
700 quadrillion other worlds are still waiting.
And you're telling me there's no life. You absolute dumbos.
Planets that are drenched in light from the blazing center of the galaxy.
Incredible.
Worlds circling the rims of supermassive black holes.
So cool, dude. Oh, imagine that view. I can't.
Giant water planets with oceans that reach thousands of kilometers deep.
Yo, Melodysheep, you gotta chill with these things, man.
To visit these far-off lands is a dream only our descendants can realize.
Oh my god.
If they ever set foot on alien soil and feel the heat of new suns, they will remember us as the first generation to know these worlds.
Oh my god, man.
To
I
study
love
their
space.
formation and their nature, and to dream of one day calling some of them home.
Wow. Jeez. Yo, Melodysheep, let's go. Handcrafted. Oh my god. Yeah. This was sick. Absolute goated video right there. Matt Klinman was the narrator. Alright. John B.D. Boswell. Okay. Yeah, this... Incredible job, guys. Incredible job. Wow. No, this is... I'm just lost for words, honestly. This did not feel like 30 minutes at all. This felt like 15. Wow. What a movie. It is like almost like a movie, honestly. But yeah, as I said, there's literally no way there's not some form of life out there. There is no way there's not. Like, you can just stop with that shit immediately. I don't care. It's the chance of it being so... I don't even know. I don't even get into the debate. Visually, this was an amazing video. The narration, dude, and everything. Narrating. I don't even know. I just enjoyed this video a lot. If you have any more recommendations of these space videos or any other videos in general, it could be funny videos, I don't know, like anything, right? Just put them down in the comments and I'll try to react to it. Anyways, I'll link the video that I just reacted to because honestly, go subscribe to Melodysheep. It's insane. But yeah, and if you liked this video and liked this reaction, then drop a like if you want to. You don't have to subscribe if you do not want to. That's completely up to you. But other than that, I hope you have a wonderful day. Have a good one.